Apa tujituila bolbwa ekelezia mwana mutete twakumona tukabayile ne ntungunu kilwayi mujimilondane muntu jubala ne baji bumvwa meyi abwambi ebu ne baji balama malo ali mafunda mu baji ni jisanka bwa chikondo chepa wipi wakabule chapter kumujulu 20 muisatu chikondo eti 11 chilipa bwipi mu UK mu kuji chikondo cha apabwaji bwa chikondo chetu echi nakadi munyuma jitu kuja mukalenge ne nakumva jijikole konyuma kwani buja mpungi panga katangila epanado simune nimbo akabulibwa chapter kumujulu ujutuleze Yesu Kristo ujipanka chipa mukanda wonso mukanda azambi mujima yeye kiuji ndi munene mumukanda wa Genesis muntu mukandi kaba ufe kumuchiwa moyo lufulwa akalwa zambi wakamupesha bu wakashumisha buchimunyi ne bakamwepata mbujimi ne mu bwakabulibwa badibikali muleja bwane mucho moyo wakopingana buchimunyi palufu ne mana masokoka bukokesho bwakulwa mulwa ikale bilamba bitoke kakweka buta puluki ne zambi kakuiluta tu bakutapuluka ne zambi nasho mushapite eya akumujilu mwanda mutekete tutumwana ekelezia mwanda mutekete mushapite akumujilu ileje ekelezia ya chikondo achi twajune Efeso kudisemuna Pegamo Twatila Sadi Philadelphia ne Laodikia bidin disanka echi dikulondangana kwa malu mu chikondo achi ne bibileje ne zambi udi mushua ne mwimpe nunkufunda malu akutangila jiba jampinjeu ne malu adiku ne malu ajamba kulwa kunyi makwao chikondo chichilwalwa bwalu busokoka bwa mitoto yu wakatangila muchanza chani cha balume ne bwabitekelu bya minda mwa byangolo mwanda mutekete mitoto mwanda mutekete jibanje lwa ekelezia mwanda mutekete ne bitekelu bya minda mwanda mutekete bidi ekelezia mwanda mutekete ekelezia idi miaba ya kutangaleji la kili solo mulimp tuyayi mu Turki mu Asie Mineure mu tutusangana ekelezia yeyo echi nchimenga cha Istanbul tutusangana manzwa mamoske mama nikibulo babujima ne miaba mikwabo ya ntendelelu zubu minene ya ba Ottoman bilamba mabaka nulima okusomba bantu bamusomba miaba yonso mmoje baswe botamunya ne bakebanga ni wakunanga bananga tala baba baselangane bakwanta mapandika akuselangana bidi mikuna mwada mutete ya Istanbul Constantinople chimenge chichine mikuna mwada mutete bya momo ne lomo ujumuikalane kabine bimenga mikuna mwada mutete bidi ne mushinga bwakumanya bwalwebu echi zubu walubule wabena mizuluma ko Istanbul nlui bakulu nene neto akoli bya bongo bwa malu mu kutungunuka kwa mukande wa bwa kabulebo mu Sainte Sophie mwaba munene ukali mulwe mizelelu mu chikondo cha ba Byzantin lelu bikavo bilu ekelezia wabena kiliso ne pashishe bakanga tabu kula chimoske ujuta ila kwikali bindi bya bongi bindi bya bombi abena kiliso bakanga tabo paluta ila mu ekelezi yeo bena muzilimani bakanga tabulomboji bwa bwalwebu kulaba bumpemba mitoko Paju utala mu ekelezi ni upete bimfwani bishale bikese bya malu akaja akali bichimweneka bivo chikondo chimpe tone bwani membi kwa kantem.
This is the underground channels where you can do your shopping. It's very dark down there. Of course, very
chidi chimenga cha chimpe cha Turki panga katangila muji byakuja bimpe myaba mimpe chimenga chinene cha 3 ebimbi shadil bya chimenga chi ebimbi akashala mu chimenga chi apa mwaba utupolo muyishe jilo lijikwabo uvo muyishi wa unenga uvanu bumunji ngenza lelwewo kibwa chingani etukiso akakuluka kayimwa kusomba kujidishi kwa kadiye bumutu bambanga benza panji memeisha kabiji waka mulombela nzambi bwalu bwavu muchibukenshi wakumva bimpe chakati shima cha Apollo paka mulombela nzambi ewu mwaba uvwa ekelezia mwanda mutekete ekelezia yonso mwanda mutekete kiliso jumuleja bumutangala jwalu mulwimpe mubuloba bujima ekelezia yonso njinda jendo nyini jomvuje ja muchi profete ujini ngika jilo hapa bwende ekelezia na ekelezia bivoncha kupita muchikondo achi na acha bivoncha kupita muchikondo chichilwalo ekelezia yonso ujini malo ajeba mwambile balimo okumwanisha biji byamushinga netuyile pashishe kujibanga bajibo bakanyina babasamina bijini mushinga bwalbwa tutokole bwa chikondo chimani kupita riba bambilane bikengelo kuji muni muchima kujiditeta momo anikimomo bwalbwa wali mwa kuji muna muchima kuni makabani kukwanyina diteta kaje nako kona bukwanta chi profete echi ne kuchituma mumatu kwa chilwalwa kundekelu kwa chikondo changasa nashi ebi nebinyange funjilwewu kubyonso byakapita kujiji kwa kangana panka chipa malu ali kilisto walwa kilisto ajuwenza mumwaba wa chishila kama mwaba mutambe chishila kanji baja mujimu andekelu nonko chiprofeti chijichika chitungunuka mubwena kilisto bonston kondekelu kwa chikondo kuji kwana kuji mibelu kuji milayi ntakwami kande yonso ya mwanda mutekete wa ntaku wami kande imifundile ekelezia wakumpala muchima changupa chagaji Efeso tanla ibi akashala ekon kukulete mwaba uvo Paulo muyishe kaje kolusekalo Efeso jo mvujene munangibwe mvujene ekelezia ewo uvwane chintu chiwo chimisha kumpala kujibulonda ani bwa malu balbo nzambe jutu leja chiwane chakulwa mu malu achikumpala tone kundekelu kwa chikondo balwa mujimu wa nzambi udimutali bikondo byonso nchikondo chakumpala cha ekelezia wabena Kristo nonu batangile kulobulonda ani bwa malu bimo wakala muchimu cha Luka makoni makwajili jiboja Yesu tuyimo wakulonga malu ali mafane wo wa ne aji mapeta ane ekelezia wa muyuke nonko ekelezia wa Efeso kuvwa nkwasa wa jana wakadi mamwendo wa nzambi momu mwakakula Paulo pabwalu bwa Yesu Kristo wambane Yesu kujinjila umwe byakake bachimvundu cha bungi walu bwa bakali bamwona bune jana nzambi wabumuka jovo pweka bakaso kumuteta bambane ujimamu wa nzambi echi wachibaka mu chimu chankama inayi makumanda mkulu kunyimba kwa kumpala kwa Yesu mafesto abungi avoenze kamuchimenge echi cha Efeso mwanzo ewu wa mamwendo wa nzambi kiwa akapesha bumalia koji petanga panka chpa mamwendo wa nzambi nejibi kileji jijiba peshimali
of the mother of the gods, and here
kimunda mwa ekelezi yemu tubale chakati funda bwa ekelezi yebo
as well. So that's
mu mukanda wa bwakabulu bwa chapter 2 verse 13.
let's read the letter to the church. Revelation chapter 2.
Funjila mwanjelo wa ekelezi wa kwa Efesone
Church of Ephesus,
uju kwata mitoto mwanda mutekete muchanza cha balume uju wenda munkachi mwabitekelu byaminda mwanda mutekete uju wamba malwa ne njumu mali byenze ibyebe ne muji muwebe
I know thy
mukole liditanta manajebe ne kwena mwakweta buja bantu babi
how thou
ni wakateta bali bajambane bapostolo kajika bena bapostolo wakabasana bena mashimi
so
echi uju wela twasekele Yesu Kristo uju ambane njini disanka bwabidi wenza
you are doing, and you have discerned between good
wali wali kutapula malu panga twabi mpene bibi
and thou hast tried
nwakashikisha bavo bajambane bapostolo
even in this early
tono muchikondo cha kale kabichi mwakaje bantu ba mafimo mwanikimomo
yes or no?
bakaje bateta bakuba manya
What was the standard
bakumanya kutafulula bimpene bibi kiji ja nzambi
good side?
bakumanya lusekelu impene lubi
Must be the word.
kicho cha chiji ja nzambi
That's the standard. How they
nwaka bateta
them and which say
tono mwekelezia
and are not, so
ne tutali mu maleso na chijalwa wakasangana bikale bena dishima
see that in the lectures that come.
nchinga nchakaba chakenza bwane baba sana bena dishima
Requires. What standard do
bijan kwekala le ntakumwe ntakwa wakaleje ne bena dishima mukanda wa nzambi
something to base it on? Surely you must have something to base it on. The word of God.
lukunukunu lwebe
Patience
waku
for mine
kenga bwa jina jani ni kwa katekete
has not fainted.
echi malumimpe lumbanji lulelela kujekeleza kwa Efeso bavo benza mwaba umwe
Act together.
kadi kuji chijuba bambile chijubenzi chibi kadi njine bebwalo ebune wakalekele jinanga jebe jakumujilu
Hast left thy first
uchikondo kampanda ekelezia wakuntu ajijilu
fire that the church had. That fire which you feel when you become
bino nuva pano chinulila mu ekelezia bwakupa toka kutwaleje nyanza myaba mile
they
bobo
have
bakatekete
down somewhat.
nonko vuluka kwa kuponena
Or from whence thou art fallen,
kujimu na muchima webe
repent, turn around, and do
enza milimu yebi ya jambeji
so complacency had set in to an extent.
bakuji mwana bu bakukumbana kadi
Good. They worked.
bwa bifuke la batapulu bubi ne bwimpembi akani bakali benzela nzambi ne bakalo kulekela bwalwebo
Slightly tainted.
nunkunendo lubilu ne nenjulu chitekelu chebi cha mwinda pamwaba wachi
Remove thy candlestick out of his.
chakaji chikondo chivwa ekelezia na shomo kaji mubulelela
If a church did not live up
nzambi voni chakwenza chingani
to what they had, then God
wakadi ni chakujula chitekelu cha minda pamwaba wachi bakuchipesha bakwabo
away from them,
ebumbwalu bunene
give it to someone else.
waliwo patu tokula bwa chitupe cha moyoke pano nwangata mapangajika bwa butoke bunujinabu
Have God
nzambi na angate butoka nono bana inabu abapeshi bantu bakwabo abapeshi bantu bakwabo kajuji ni bwalwe bune
there has
koji chintu chikwa buchiji nzambi benga mwabewo wakubele twasekile bwa byonso kajuji ambane nenu nwakukina
for hating
chintu kampanda ujukina byenze yibya bena nyikalawo
Galatians.
byenze dibindi memeka bjinkina ela imenji ne bine mushinga
This is a very
nzambi ujukina byenze di kena ukina bantu nashi ujumba nangi
now.
bolubu nzambi wakatamba kusoba pabuloba yeyo akaba pa mwana njumwe pele mulela bwa muntu yonso amwitabuja kafu byanji kajikali ni moyo wachendelele
Should not perish but have eternal life.
nzambi ujumunanga bantu uji ukina
But he hates
ntendelelo mibi
system.
ya kukukwila
So the,
bushokelezi wakumpala uvo benga byenze bibi ya nikalawo ngani
what were they?
nikola ngani na shabena nikalawo mbangani chakadi chisumbu cha bantu
That taught they were a sect
kasumbuka benze fikampanda
that taught
bena midimu ya mijima babelemene jinanga janzambe kadi mwa kwikale jilonda kujibuntu nash
man was
ebe mbwalu bwa nyuma kembo alubu mokwenza kamubiji nasha
what he did in the flesh did not apply to his spirituality.
yeye ngerelwa menju mwe utone katataka
Common thought today
mushindwe wakumala bena nikala ujukulelo
is taught then they teach.
nikola
Nicholas was
uvwa
Latin word
mukukwila bunzambi wa mayi bena nikalawo
Latin.
nikola
Nicholas
Nicolas.
Nicolas.
Nous tunga bon vojina ja nukule lwani.
Today.
Eyowa lelo
Today.
tuji balombo la kulukita lwa Nicolas.
Nicolas.
Ni ba moni banga ba bamba pa nunu talene mu encyclopédie wa bene britannique.
That is a fictitious
Abane muntu wa mafipete mi sanka akikala kunashi.
worship.
Bidini mushin. Yesu Kristo jinzambi.
Is
Udi musungidi.
God.
Yeye udi utusungila.
Savior. Jesus Christ is the
Tudi
one
tu kukwila jitu kujajile jibojende jitu kukai.
birthday on
Muma tukumaku miabidi na atano ongondo ajikunu mwibiji.
5th of December.
Kadi mukando nzambi jitu ambile ne balemba mikoko bakaji mumajimi.
We're out on the field.
Mbakwamba ne kachivo chikondo cha
25th of December.
ngondo eunashi.
The god Zeus, his birthday was
Zambi zeuse mulela muma tukumaku miabidi na atano ongondo ajikunu mwibiji. Nansho Osiris mulela mu jitu kujama kumiabidi jitanja ongondo ajikunu mwibiji.
5th of December.
Njimo kuno leja nzambi ya bungu ya chikondo cha kale. Bungu bwa bonsu bwa batamba kulela mu matuku makumi abiji na atanu a ngondo adi kunumwi biji.
December. Now if
Noele
Christmas
ujumvuja misa ya Kristo
was really the birthday of Christ,
buye mwikale jileji bwa Yesu Kristo
celebrating,
to chichiji kukwela janyikala o muji tukweji. Bine mushinga
and the kids
utubana bapesha bintu byabo bingani bali bapesha Nicolas.
Nicolas, and he rides through the
Podi wenda mbulo bujimani banzambi bachikondo achi bavwanu baledi mumatuko abini jikumne makumi abini na atano ngondo adi mwibiji
drawn if he was Zeus.
bambula munkalu bivwa
If he happened to be a Nordic god,
bavwa bakuko kakoji mbuji
a Nordic religion,
nonku byakadi ntendelelu waku node
we come
nene tumwani kwaka bane bavwa bakoka koji nyama
reindeer,
ne mukale mukaji
and he could discern right
bwa kumane mwakutapula bimpe ne bibi
forever, year to year,
uvwa
tell which child.
muntu vuka imwakufanisha kashini vwa chakale mochendelele.
There he went on the 25th of December. And children today forget about Jesus Christ and say Father Christmas. Is that right or wrong? So
Bavwa benza mapa kujibana bayaba mulonde bamani balonde Yesu Kristo kai balonda noele momwa nkimomo tutu fete ani tuji tusanka bwaji tukuja nyikala o
the individuals, but the system.
kade keleza kumuji waka kina malwa
Overcometh will I
kaka kina bantu nansha nzambi ju kina malwa mabi
of the paradise
kudi udi uchimuna ne mupeshe bwa kuja muchi wa moyo udi mumpala jisu wa nzambi bwa kabula wa chapter 2 verse 9 Kristo udi mukwekesha
but it's much worse than what it actually appears.
kadi mbibi
Street of Curate,
bidi mwoneka lelo
and this is where Paul
enjilo akukulete uva polo mupweke
statues of the leading
ni kwa kadi
stood
bu bakuna mpingu
had a head on, and if you had
anwe mwingane makoteke bwa bobu kuya kuteka lupingu lwebu mwabeo
a head and place it on
badi balusonga uya ufuta muje bafuchilanzo bunasha bafuchila telefone
whatever, your house.
podi kuyufuta badi balo bajola mutu webu wana batula basumbula kwaka
Off came your head.
anu bakani makotamba akadi baya kufuchila mwabeo uji
When you walk down there
tempelu
in your
wa
story, if you
trajan kwaka
here was a temple to the emperor
tempelu mufane
were dedicated,
ivo ya zambi ya bongi
and the emperor was of course
mukalenge uvwa nzambi mukale wa bena lo muvwa nzambi yeye uvwa mubidi nzambi wadiba enzu bunene bunu mwana wakadi zubwa kulama mikanda kwa Efeso wawanzu bwa Domitien
another part of it.
ne bifwani bikwabo nishindi akukukwila nzambi kwaka kuba scholastic apa
Church left its mark,
kukabidi mbya bongi
and
kumukono wa ba Byzantin
the plumbing
bakusha bintu ebikwaka
lost
balongoloji ba mishiba ya mai
its time. That was
ezi nkumba ya bantu bonso ne kwaka kubanda kuva musolo uvatwala mai utwala bintu ebyonso bivupweke
transport.
kakona chako chintuluka nansha
Also have a river,
numwe kwe kusomba ni kuyukila ni mwena mutumba webe apa
and there you sat,
pano chiji kuyukila malo enonso
neighbor.
apa badichoweji cha bascolastique
Here were
nonku nzambi mukaja Artemis
goddess Artemis,
bio yeyo vone mabela abunga akunu bisamba
feed the nations,
mwaba munene wa manaya
which all the tumult,
wakati alila chimvundu
the gods or the silversmith who was
chikondo kampanda
responsible for making all the
wakati biba kenzambi jana mukaji chikondo chakaisha Paul bwanzambi ya bungi muyuki wa Polo
the story goes.
muyuki uju tuleje ne Paul wakanyema ekelezi wa kuntwa jilu vomwanisha ne uvwa monjila bolo voma ni kutapula bimpe ne bibi maluma bini mimpe kavo itabusha malu abampaka na bwe mwekelezi yanashi utapulula malu onso ne Yesu mwikale muntaku wantendelelu wapo kaba vuma kolekela kaba waluka keskabi kabwela nashi chikon cha kumujilo echi Efeso uvwa jibungu
And today there's no harbor.
kadi chena kukabijinansha
Kilometers away.
dikaji uline lusenga
Been filled in.
mu chilimu cha makumwanda mukulukonyuma kwa Yesu Kristo
AD,
ja kulekela kuikala jibungu
a harbor
ivone mushinga patu tutangila bulondane bwa maisha
evolutionary sequences
mu Efeso
study. In Ephesus today,
pano numwana ne lomo
that Rome
wa kujula ebibi jimwi bakebi
structure
muvwa bi bimona muchilota kujimalia mubimone
because John,
yone uvomo luko Efeso ne Yesu akamwambia ne tangila
and so he took her to live
wakamwangata tala mamwebe ne bwakaye kusombela ko Efeso
determined to be a fake.
yakali bibi pasi bivo bya mafi
This is where many
bantu babonge bato balokukukwela mwabewu kumakasa amalia
all religions
tendelelu ya bonge iji lokukukwela apa bena katolo na shabena mishoni
pilgrimages of Protestant
na shabena muzulumani baji balo bya bukutendela mwabewu apa bwawo
place. Well, the next
mwaba uji ulonda
time period
uji wa semuna kacho mucha lukama tonu kulukama nijikumisa tukonyuma kwa Yesu Kristo
because this
chivwa chikondo cha luta tulwa bonge
is persecution. The word
nechi chisoka kuonyuma kwa mwakwewu chimvuja ne mupuya muimpe jipembo jimpe
smelling, an aroma of sacrifice.
choshedu cha mananashi pano anta chimenge chinkaya chimuvwa nzambi mukajoli babikila ne nemeziso
And he
Polikapu vwa ministre kavulambeji ne wakashipibwa
in this depiction over here we have a 10-day
neno kandi matuko jikumi akukenga shibwa neno ngati matukwa bomwe mafunda muchi prophet
was there a period in the
wakelezi wakuntwa jilo wakakenge shibwa bya bongi matuko jikumi
10 years? And the answer is yes.
koji mfumu kwa bwaga bikila bu Diocletian
Who decreed
wakakengesha bena kitliso
which was
to ne muchimucha binunu bisatu kama isatu ne isatu ne kuni kama isatu njikumi isatu
so
pakalo emutendele di
to 300
wakasangisha bwena mbula matedi
put on the
ne bwena nzambi pochikoncha Constantin
over his pagan body. And Christianity,
nonko bwana Kristo bwakalwa tendele wambula matedi
so let's have a read.
tubale byonsu byakenze kamwe ekelezi yafa mafunjila mwanjilo wako ekelezi wakusemo nane wakumujili ni wanshikijilu wakaji mufwe ne ujimwikale ne moyo kabiji uji wamba malu akabiji njimumanyi jikenga jebe ne bupele bwebe
So they were
bushuwa chiwo chikondo cha lutatu ekelezi wakumujili wakapata lutatu
pretty well until this
wakakola lukasa malu avomi mpetoni ku chikondo cha
the official
kimanyi na bontendelelu wa bukelenge pashishe lutatu kutwajijalu
challenge
misangu yonsu ujulekela
of the world
malu
persecution.
abulobebo ichika chikondo chako tachishi jimumanjikenga jebe ne bupele bwebe kaji wewe jimubanji
But thou art rich,
ne bipendu bya badi bajamba ne tujibena Yuda
which say they are Jews
bena kiliso ba chikondo achi bavo bangata jina ja bena Yuda
interchangeably
kaji bobo bikale suna ngoga ya satana
are the synagogue of
kuje ekelezi ibidi pabuloba ebu
churches
bali baleja nzambi
representing God
ne bakwabo
and those.
baleja buko kashibukwabo ekelezi yewo
Now this church
wakasambi bo bakamutwa mankumbu
but there's no reproof.
katika bakamukanyina nashi kochini malwa ojiwamba kukenga nawo mona jabolo oji usokwela bamwe bamunka chimoeno mulukanu bwanwenwe nenu techibu bwanwe kale njikenga ja matuko jikumi
10 days.
nenu kenge muchikondo cha Diocletian
Diocletian
mwanu tachisha wikali biebene jeyemena to ne kulufu
faithful unto death, and I will give thee a crown
ewu mulai wa bulongolodi
of restoration.
nunkune nkupichifulu cha butumbi cha moyo
Who doesn't hear, let him hear what
uji ni machumvu buji nyuma wambila ekeleza uji upitabu kole kena ukenge shibo kulufulu ibiji
the second death in
echi lesson ya mushinga mukole dito amona pashishe wakabula chapter mwibili verse waje kumika ko seji kuno mwa
10 to 11.
kudi ekelezia idibuka baba kanyene nashi
It's one of only
kujanu ekelezia ibili chanani
in these
idibubela anu twasekijili
proof. Only a commendation. So this is
cha kwanza nonko chingani
desirable. But what did it take to get them like that?
cha kwanza ya nonko lutatu kuba kengesha
Times of persecution
ibweje ya malu achanani
separated.
cha kufika mu chikondo echi chili chane
The persecution is that those
bakumanyi wabuntendelelo
known for
ne bakuluka munjila bivwa bikole bwabobu kumana mushindo
they fall away.
awawu
It becomes too painful to hold.
nono basukumana mu chikondo cha lutatu bimpe kuimana pajibwe
So if you really want to stand in
bimpe
times of
kumanya
persecution,
mo uchinunu
you
itabuje
be grounded on the rock.
ne chinuji nachi cha mushinga
Why you believe it.
ke cha mushinga mene cha mukanda bwakabulibwa
Revelation is very important.
udi mushinga bwalwa ojutulejene
That there will be a time of trouble
ne tufika mu chikondo cha lutatu chitukachishanje kufika nashi
was. And we better
tulibaswe kumanya chitudi twitabuje tulibashi kukwata mu chikondo echi
So, was there ever such a
chikondo echi chakafika chikondo kai cha lutatu Diocletien
that city of palms
wakaji kwani jinu twajila mu chimenge echi cha
as we saw
malala ani palmire
the previous
mwana bibumba bili bya bena lo mu makunjara bumuntu akamona muji lesona ya kaji kumpala
and these
kudi makunji tempel wa bala
you come to this board
bya byangi bakiluminene
Diocletian camp.
panu ya kwenda kwaka nunu mwana mu chimenge echi
So this emperor
jibaya jifunda nunkweu
these soldiers here from where he conducted his persecution
kamponya
of the early Christian church.
ka Diocletien
Very interesting. And this
bidini mushinga wa buni
cleansed the church of all hangers on.
mwaba wakaji ne basalayi mubatumba kuya bukushipa benazambi wona mushinga
They were commended. So this was the great Diocletian camp. And modern Smyrna is called Ishmir. It's quite a modern
ne patuji
capital.
tumona semuna ujumikala ne
Smyrna, not much,
Izmir
but it tells an interesting
kujimuyuki
story in time.
mwimpe wa chikondo nomone sonlume ujuwenda useka
Like they have everywhere else in the world. You know what?
ujibi mwoneka zambi mumunanga bikol
And God would love them to have
ujimusubwa wikale ne jimanya
as He would like you and me.
ne umani bulelela bukutala kumoya chendelela
But if you have truth and you stand for it,
kuji chintu cha kwenzeka lutatu
persecution. This is the Colosseum where they were
bakukengeshibwa
persecuted, where Nero set the Christians alight. He used them as human torches.
bakubatacisha bya bungi
Lions. Great suffering and death took place here as people were
bakashibibwa bya bungi
through hatred.
echi wamvita panaka chimantendelelo
Well, let's see whether they compromise.
Pegamo
Gamos means
ujumvushe ne jibandishibwa kubandisha chini
lift up what?
kujibandisha wewe nkayebe
The self
pamutu panzambi
over
ani pabunzambi nunuvu mudi bantu bajizangika mu bikondo ebi we mukangule chisanji cha bindi jimbi kutujomba ujumva bantu bajizangika
inside. And you have to change
nuni cha kushintuluka nunkayenu munda mwenu
from the inside.
nuni cha kwenza malwano nunkayenu
All these
echikinjila mupya wa moyo
that's the new way to salvation.
pegamo nkujibandisha kubandisha
Lifting up
muntu pamutu panzambi
over God's way, and that
echi kukukwila kwa mpiyo
so the
chimomwendo wa bukalenge cha province wa Rome mwazi chakali ntempelo wa Zeus ani Axelepus nzambi nyoka bileja bumuntu
wrapped around.
malu atutsitu enzela nyoka lelwani eyowa
Yes,
baya bamunga bachitu benzela nyoka
the proconsul
fumu wa Pegamo
Pergamos
uvuani mweli wa mvita
saw,
wanseke ibiji
and it's very
bidini mushinga bakumanya binchimenge echi
was the
chivwa
bastion of the Babylonian priest.
ntakuwa bwakuji bwa bena babulona pakwanta bumeda ne pelese
They took over the Babylonian
bakutwala ntendeli lwabu wakuya kwaka
revolt
kuli bena medai
Pergam against Medo-Persia, and so the priesthood was
bakwidi
stood established.
bakunyingalela pabwalwebu bwa bena medai ne bena pelese
Here was
bakubipata
official ancient
bakulo kuibaka mwabewo
Babylonian priesthood.
chakani bwakwidi bwakale mbya mushinga
They took the
bakwidi babena babulona bakante bilamba bya palladium
Dagon.
bivwa bilamba bya dagon
Fish robe
bivwa
had a fish
bilamba bya chikele mushipa
on their head.
chifulu cha chikele chikanlu mukana pamutu binu mushinga wabonga dagon uvanzambi wa chikele
The god of the fish.
nevo mubikejibwe
And he was
Pontifex Maximus mutambe bunene chilamba panka chipa buloba ni jolu
so you were saying
uvo musungila
man's mediation,
uva
mediation of the church, rather
musangishi wa bantu ne nzambi kava kilisto na shaba buobo
between heaven
uvo chilamba panka chipa jolu ni buloba
with the
lu sapi lwa chibi
keys, two keys.
sapi ibiji
The key to heaven.
sapi ya jolu ni ya
Interesting.
inferno
Old Pontiff King
bine mushinga wakadi bikilisha ne mukale munene mupegam
third.
fumoye munene paka kudi muna muchima uji atalus muisatu
No,
mupegamo
not Attalus yet. Later than
pakulo mwena kilisto
Attalus the third, when he realized that Rome was going to take
pakumana ne lomo odi sokolo kubanyenga bulobo bwa kumakanda wakulekela mwanzo munene
see behind
wakadi
emperors the letters
pen m Pontifex Maximus
Simos.
chilamba
And the Roman
ne
emperor, as we see,
bamfumba ne babena lomo bakwangata mwabeu bali bamonye bobo nzambi nenumba kuba kukwila
one who opened
bobo mbali mwakunu kawela bibi yako jolo nenu sane mika maleta pm
not only behind the name
kaya nu kudi bamfumba nene
behind them, behind
kwa kana shakaji kujingani kuji papas
popes. You will
nenu sanga ne pm bimvuje ne Pontifex Maximus
find. So this title came down in his
mena kashala kata chikondo achukudi bakalemba neni baba bantendele lwa bena lo mutone katataka
of Rome, who by the way also have the
bali bayenzela mwaka jingani
referred to as the key
bamba ni bumu dipetelo
Peter,
bajine bilamba bya momu mwe
same vest
ne bifulu bijibileja
with the mitre
dagon
that represents Dagon. How did that come
kimuchindo wakabwela bi mubwena kilisto
Now in
muchimuchankama isatuma kwana mutekete bana mkulukulimo kwa Yesu Kristo kwa kumweneka mukale mukwabo gracia
title. So you would,
yeye wakabenga mwanzo
and here's one who said, no, I don't want this title.
umwaba mfumba bena lo mwakabenga waba nchena munange jine jinashi
It was seized by Damascus.
byakashala tone chikondo chakalo kumweneka
Title came
Damascus
part and parcel
wakanga chula jineji
Pontiff. So we still have the title
bepiskopu babena lomo
at Pergamos.
bakangata mwanzo ewo
Well, this was the time
chakafika kuti pegamo chingani muchikondo achi kwa kadibulendo kubunene katataka
Pergamos, you have this
nuji ni choshelo echi mupega muchinene choshelo chiwa cha nzambi
the altar to the gods.
banzambi bonso
The gods of
koje vita minene apa pankasi pa bimpe ni bibi
is depicted here between the forces of good and the forces of
mboka buli bashapita mwibini verse wali mwibini di toni koje kunu minayi
verses 12 to
funjila mwanjili wako ekeleza wa pega mone uji ni mwele wa vita mutu chance ke ibijuji wamba malwane
short
echinji ja nzambi yesu jiji ja nzambi apa koje muntu mukwabo uji ni mwele
about the word of God.
kadi udinjila wa buloba ndimumanyi koji wikala
But he is an earthly mediation. I
uji
know
mumanye kujekeleza wende
talking to his
nujunela menshi nempen
they're dwelling where?
koji nkwasa mene wa bukaleng bwa satana
Wow.
bwa kuidiebu
This priesthood,
buli mweneka bwa choshelu cha babele
another bow
chibi chichitwala koji nzambi
to God,
echi mbilele bya jabulu
of Satan. Satan's
enkwasa wa satana ujula majina jani bikolo
church
ekelezi yewu ujula mamalu
the truth in the midst of these circumstances. And
nikwakapija jitabuja janyi nasho mumatuko a antipa
when
jina ja mushinga
very interesting name.
mumanishi wanyi wakweyemena wakashipibo munkachi mwenu kudi satana wikala
The second time that it says that. So here was someone who was preferred
kudi muntu mukwabo ewu wakwitabuja bwa kufwa bwa jitabuja yende antipasa bwa jitabuja yende wakubenga kwenza bibi
some say historic,
banga bali bambani antipasa
and some say it is this one or that
emisango vomulami wa mikoko
whatever.
banga babane
That church was faithful.
bamba malu abungi pabitala antipasa
Anti
kalivua mwena mwekelezemu antipasa bidi bimvujene mwena lukuna wa papa mubenge papa
could be spiritual. That this
bimwenga ne muntu eu uvo bikijibwa kudi muntu di bikijibwa ni mutu akwidi panka chimanzambi ne bantu
and so mediation had
kalito tubamanyi mwakwidi ujana umu Yesu Kristo panka chibantu ne zambi
and he was
echinchilumbusi
a problem and people
bantu bakwabo
commended for being
bakejibwa twasa kijila antipasi wakafwa kajinji nebe malu manyamanya uju bakanyina bwalubwa uji ne bakwabo bali balamatedisha jabelama wakaisha balaka bwakuteka yechilenduishi kumpala kwa bena yiselele bwakuja bo bintu bishipela mpingu ne bwakwenda bo masanti
so something had been sneaking into the church here because
njile ndu shibo jinene
doctrine of Balaam now we
kutuma bantu manzambo wane balekele kutumikila nzambi enjisha maisha balam
compromise get them to sin get
wamba ni bashipimikenji ya nzambi
God, and then we'll have them. So here is a
pakabwela jile nduka
coming in
kwa kadi maisha akadi
which will lead
bantu bayishangana
away, and they will start serving.
bwakwenzela nzambi kwa mujimu
And that's what's
chakenzekela ekelezi wabena kiliso chikondo achi
watch it.
chimbule nduki bunene
Is going to come. Constantine did this.
Constantin
Constantine
wakwaba nimusukusangisha
is the
maekelezia
let's not have this constant battle.
kwa kumwendeka mvita panka chimpaka nuchena kilisto
Carry them. So he
ituka imyanji kwikala nashi tubasangishayi nukuwa kwenzesha
Christ, and on the other side he has his pagan deities.
medai
But he had a problem.
Constantin wakadi ni chilumbu chinene numa nchepi kavuma jija nzambi to Constantin uvwa ni chilumbu ni jija nzambi bwalu bwa jija nzambi jijimu jimwele wantapalu bidi
sword.
chakwenza ya chingani
And so
tutelejayi
he said, let's compromise.
nenu peshi jileso nijima pa bwalu ebu wakwambila
Priest,
mesilabe Ezebus bwa afunde
write portions of the Bible.
bitu baya mukanda nzambi
And he sent them out.
ncha kufunda ye
These were made.
mu bitu pa 50
And they were written so that Jesus
byakali bifunda
was less than what he was.
bwakupwekesha Yesu penyi mwaba oji yawo
And Zoroaster
byakanyisangilwa maekelezi
Jesus Christ and Zeus
nunku
stand next
Zoroastre uvuma ukwikala mupiti Yesu Kristo ani ani Zeus ukuikala mufanikisha ni Yesu Kristo ani
story.
eku kakuvuma muntu vokumbana Yesu Kristo nashi
It was an ecumenical document that he commissioned. So a compromise came in and
Kule
Jesus
nduke
had
ku
become less and obedience
kwa kadi kubenga kwa mukenji wa nzambi jiso ja nzambi bwakulonda malu achanana chilumbu chinene
problem.
maisha abalam
Balaam.
nunku kabidi ujine bakwabo badi balamatedisha jabena nyikala omomumwe jambeji bakubenga maisha abena nyikala o katataka baji balamata nunku kudi muni muchima webe ani nendo kuji lubilu nenendo ane nabo mvita ne mweli wa mvita wa mukana mwali ujine machumvu buji nyuma wambile ekelezia kujudu pitabukole nemu pechitu pachamba na masokoka nemu pe jubuji jitoke ne jibwe di na jipyadi pe difundapu jiji muntu kayimanyi anuye yudi ujangata embule nduki
Is the greatest
kujibwalu bubi butambe bunene mbwajishima mwabejishima dinene nunu mwana bantu eko nchisalu embuloba bwisatu kwaka
these are the people that
echi nchimana chikonze
place
echi ntempelo wa pambelu entempelo wa Diane
the temple of
tempelo wa Trajan wa Zeus
Trojan, the
nechi
Zeus. There is
udi mwaba umuvu Kaiser Wilhelm
because he took everything
mwenze
and carried it away.
eku
Elastica,
ku Scholastica Asclepios
that was the
bakai ba kukwila bakatwala bintu byonso mupega
compromise.
kulenduka dino ambila katataka ne
Recommend today
kulenduka eko
that
panka twabushiwa ne jishima kwa kale kejibwa nanko Yesu Kristo ne bulela bwende bakatumbishe bo mimichima yetu
in the heart. So the next time period
muchitupa chiji chilonda chiji chikalancha twatila munkama itanu makumi asatu mwanda mukulu tonu kuji chinunu
many meanings.
kama itanu makumi wana mutekete jine jiji mvuije chileji luchimpe kumujimu biji bimvuija mulambu
Nutrition,
munkachi mwa lutatu nibakwa bali bambane biji bimvuija maisha ya satana
so after
koni makwa ajile ndukeji ne bionso bia kabole mo ekelezia tutumona maisha balama maisha nikalao akamita bojibwe apo musangu ekelezia kumujulu bavo ba benge maisha tuli mu chikondo cha midima mu kametano makumi asatu ne mwanda mukulu mukenji wa Justinien uvo mupesha mu episkopo walo mu bwakuteka kunyoka bonso babengangela wabo kuvwa jiyu jivwa jenza bwakutapulila bimpene bibi kadi muntu pabwenda okulokwanta jipanga dikaja akusungwila bantu chili muni chakwita buja chili chimpene chikachi chimpe ndibumvu echinchilumbu zambo akatufuka bika ni buji kajiji netuni chakumupeshe ilo Apolo ka muntu nashi tutumwambila bwa byonso bitu akwita buja ni bitu akwenza kadi bobo bakadi bantama panika bwa muntu mushindu kai katuma kwamba na shanunku chinga ni chakafikila kushimina muntu wani kwa kula bwa munga muntu zambi wakambila Adamu na Eva pakwenza bubi wakabe lukonko chakwenza bon chingani bakuba nkufundanga nabo bonka yabo kwamba ne Adamu kwamba ne mukaji wakumpeshi kapa kwambila mukaji muntu yonso wakumpesha mukwabo chilema mukaji kushimina kwambila bwanyoka nunuvulukani bantu bonso pabuloba bakaja ne malwa kakuchena muntu ne bwalu pabuloba meminji ni chilumbu echibwalu bwa baleji bai apa echi ngikaji luwa kulenduka kodi muntu uji wangata mapanga jika bwa bwalu bwebe ni chuni cha kwenzi yumisango mu chikondo echi chakadi chamidima bantu bakabenga butoke bambane muntu kwamba yenkaende meme ngakula butoke kulekela butoke apuwe mwambi na nkwa kulowe mijim bikala mwana nzambi kamwika le butoke bwa pabuloba ni muntu mukwa bulo ye butoke bwa butoke nudi mu mijima kakwena munga mushindo wakumvuje to bashishe oluzos ze udi mwikalanga ni mumani wa malu abena kabe ya wangongani katolika wa kwamba bwanekelezi wa muchikoncha mwaenaji kuvwa nzambi uvabe ni Apolo ndiba ne choshelu cha nzambi mukaji muchikondo echi nzambi wende ekelezi wone nzambi wende bakwenza muntu mukaji kulwa nzambi netupingane pashish kuvwa ditanda jabilamba kuvwa bo bimpe mubukunze bikunzu bili bifikine bienza le miji ya michi munku maikala jine jumvuishi jikunze jumvuisha kudifila kijumvuisha kala jikunze nash mjojaji makala mekala jine mumvuisha Yesu yambane lwai nupeshe jikisha memene nupeshe jikisha kadi bantu wali balokubikilana kami lwaku bidikisha mu Yesu Kristo bwamba Yesu jwambane meme njinjila njibulela njimoyo potu ne bwalu tutuye kuji yibwa kutonda kuji muyuki wa Isabele panu tala muji pumile jikulukulu Isabele uvwa mukale mukaji wa bena Fenisi uvwa museji bukuji mukale wa bena Isale Akaba wakaba twala wakukukwela nzambi jiba numu wakubala mbakale wakumujisha chapter wajikunu wana mkulu verse 9 sebakale mwibidi chapter wachita maweso wakumeme mwibidi Isabele wakutuma chisamba cha nzambi wakukukwela bala muchikondo achi nono babali muyuki nenu sanga ne bakuidi babala ne bakuidi ba Ashtoreth uvwa mukaji uvwa bakukwela nudi ne nzambe mukaji ne nzambe mulume
And you could pray to either.
bini mushinga
And you had
numu akwakijila kukukwila umu nasha mukwabu nuni bakwidi ba umu nasha ba mukwabu muchikondo achi
You have an entire priesthood dedicated,
katataka nudi ne bakwabo
and you have a priest
bwakwidi bukwabo budi bapeshe bajambike ne bwakwidi bukwabo
to a male.
budi bapeshe mali ya kudi bajambike bukwabo pesha nzambe mukwabo mbya mushinga nchumani midi muyebe ne jinanga jebe ne jitabusha jebe
And faith, remember,
manyane mikanda
to God,
ivo mifunda muchikondo echi ne bwa yimwe misangu
sometimes drink
bafo mudijiba
fountain. That's
adi
the part about it.
ne di kwachilanga na jebe ja mudimu ne di tantama na jebe ne midimu yebe ya kunshikijilu idi pitali ambeji bu
Now, let me
jumman ne midimu yebe ya katataka ya kupitali ambeji
with works, because
bolbwa
faith without works is
di tabusha kaji ne kwenza jijifu mujitabusha mo mufange midimu mufu
faith.
kujekelezia wa kujula jitabusha bwa midimu nubantelejani
So, here was a church that
yakuzangika
emphasis from faith to works.
jitabusha pamoto wa midimu kajinji nebe bwalo ebune ujuitaba mukaji au
Thou suffer
Isabelle uju mwitabuje
that woman Jezebel. Now, there might have been a literal Jezebel. They
Mukajeu,
say that in that
mchikondo achi wakadi
was the woman who
ne
was
di
in control of
tanda ja bilamba
the who made
mukanda zambi
crimson, dyed
uju muteka mubikondo bichulwalwa ambabwa kulenduka ne utumantema kudiye bwane wakapambula bana baiselele bwa pakasela Isabelle wakenza busanshi bunene bumpakano bwa kalendwisha bana babongi banzambi
of
bwa kapambula bena iselele
Mary.
kakadi kusela Jezabel nash
In other words, he went
wakwenza jipetangana ne bumpakano
Is that clear? And here is this
mukalengewo
who marries
mumani kuya kusela muntu apambele wachanana
accepts paganism and intermingles it into its very fiber. So they suffer
Mukajeu.
this woman, they
bakumuitabuja
which calls herself
bakulwa nende bumustangaleji walumulwimba bakitabuja mukaje udi bikila muprofete mukaje muprofete muntu uju peta maluma fume koje nzambi
which one you're dealing with. Obviously here, they're
muyishe kabichi ne uju yishe ne uju pambuisha bapika bani bwakwenda bomasanji ne bwakuja bo bintu bishipela mpingu
faithful.
bwakupanga bojitabusha ne kwenzela nzambi mikwapo
And to eat things
kukukwila mpingu kuja ne kunwa napa byakulo bwalu bwa
getting pretty specific.
jikukwila ja mpingu
Idolatry. And
kukukwila ne kuja byakulo bwalu bunene
idolatry. Now,
nzambi ujudi mwishe chisamba chende muchikondo chonso bwakubenga kuja bintu bishipela mpingu nashi mushindu wa kukukwila bini bimpi
interesting that the
pakukukwila nzambi yabampakano Bacchus, Zeus, Osiris
Cyrus
paliba bakukwila ne mampa amenze amilungu abijengu
breads
byomvwisha mubidi wa nyuma wapo
bodies.
ebi byakabwela kabitone mu ekelezia muchikondo achi
Time?
byakabwela
Well, it did.
nakamupa musango bwa kukujimuna imuchima wandi
Of her fornication.
nekena musu kujimuna muchima bwa masanjanje
Time to repent. But the sad story is, she repented,
tangila wakakujimuna muchimani nashi
and behold, I will cast her onto a bed, and them that committed
tangila njimwela mubulalu nenjingela bajibenda nende masanje mujikenga jikole bikale yekabayi bakujimuna muchima yabo bwa benze byabo
system
kaba akashintuluka nashi
change.
kelezia kakashintuluka akashala mushindo wa momo mwe
So God will have to
kipali nzambi wangata mwinda ani mwendo
something else.
upesha bantu bakwabo
System is not going
kabye nabishintuluke
It's
nashi
a problematic system.
ujukengeshi nemfuishe bana banje nelufu
Death. So out of the system,
momwe mubana nibalejibwe bikale bantombwesha buyeye nekelezia yo yonso neyimanyile memenye ujuteta menji nemichima nenempe kuja muntu ne muntu wa munkachi mwenu difutumu muji midimu yanje
your works.
bikala bienzedi
This is your criterion. and
bikala mikenji bwenu nwenu
You lead people into
nenu
idolatry,
lumbulushi
God will judge you by that.
bino akukwila mpingu nenu lumbulushi bwa bwalobo kadi ndingambila nenu bonso badi bashala mu twatila
doctrine. So not everybody
kujipanga kupetanga ne jijibwele mwabe munda mwekelezi
in the church.
kujibungi bwenu badi kaba ine diisheji badi kaba bamanye malumale a satani
To know the depths of Satan,
bidi byumvujene
we must be
kumanya malu andondo wa satana
to the secrets.
mumidima ani occultisme
Is that right?
kujibantu badi bamba
Who claim to know
ne badi bamanye mundondo malu amidima
of occultism. And we'll have to find
tutuwane akunkodinkwasa wa bulobo bwa midima lelo
do this in the lectures that come.
netu byakule mujile sona jijikumpala
Here it
kako chibinji nashi ani chinkanji
the church of the
nkwasa wa ekelezia kai ekelezia wa mwainaji uvwa mumani malu mundondo a satani
we're going to have to deal
bidi biko netu byakule chena nteka bujitu buko abo pambidi penu
with you none other burden. So there are people that resist this,
kudi bantu bako abaji babenga bwalwebu
that resist
babenga disheji bwalwebu sokoka bwalwebu amidima
this occultism.
kadi chinu jinachi nuchikwate bikole to ne panalwa
Fast till I come. Here's the first reference to the coming.
to ni jipina da kiliso
So obviously we've
apa nkupinga jambeni kiliso kupingana tudi tujukila kuchikondo achi
was
kwa kadi ekelezia mumani bulelela bakulekela njila
when there was great
ni bakubwela muluta tulwabu nekelezia wakasukuibwa semuna
mir,
chamupuya
period of compromise
kulima kwa kulenduka pegamo
when truth
pakabwela
came intermingled to a time period.
bushi wa bulu mafi
Man sets himself up
bushi wa mafi bilwe mwaba umwe
side right
pakupitisha pakujenza muntu mulwe nzambi wakusungwila bantu bimpi ne bipi
for you.
byakulwa ntendelelu bwebe wewe
And then we get
totubwela mpinye malu a midima
pure.
ani occultisme uju vitabukole ne uju lama
He that overcomes
midimu yanji to ne kunshikijilo ne mupe buko keshi pa mutu pa bisamba bya bende edi nji kunji ja Justinien nji nunuma na kwaka
pillar,
divuluija dipanga dika jangate kujibuntu bwana ujini buko keshi bwa kukosela bantu bibawu bidi bibatwala na shato ne kulufu
right side and not, and has the right to punish him even to death.
chacha chikale makunja bene Egypte
Egyptian
bi kalimundi dimbi wa Phalis ne Osiris
symbols
idimi kalane bidimbi bya bampa kanu binu nusanga na katataka kulomo
particularly
munkachi mwa chimenga mene mulomo mene nenusanga ni makunja Tutmos 3
Tutmosis III, the very Pharaoh,
yakadi Pharaon wa chikondo ani pale wa chikondo cha bene Exode
represents
ni mitoto isato
God of heaven, the earth, and the netherworld.
bidibi mvuija
That's quite something
bena menda ne bena peleso
with a crown that
bimvuija nzambi wa kujulu wa buloba ni wa mwisho wa buloba
taking the place of some.
kwangata buko keshi kuli mutoto wa kukwenza wewe mfumu wa mujulu wa buloba ni mwisho wa buloba
The Middle Ages,
mwabo wa munga muntu tudijinga ni maluma pia mapekelezo wa chikondo achi wakalo midima ni wakalwa muchikondo cha midima mene tudinekelezi wa sadi kacha kuchimu cha chinunu kama itanu jikumi wana mutetungu chinunu kama wana ute makumichita mwana mkulu mvujene kufukulula
period.
netubingane bwakumanya bidi bya mushinga kufukululewo
Literally, Sardis means.
ani reform
Isn't that incredible? That God
zambi du bileje mushindu kai chimengechi kacha kanga chibwanashi
was impregnable
chakimanyina chakatwankanana kumpala kwa Cyrus
by Cyrus
mukale wa Benameda ne pelese na Antiochus
and Antiochus.
wa munene uvo mwikale mfumu wa benangelesi tubali katataka chidibwa ekelezia wabe wa reform wakabulibwa isatu kuli mvenso kumujilifungile mwaje wa ekelezia wa kusadi ne yeye ujine nyuma wanzambi mwanda muteketi ni mitoto mwanda muteketi uji wamba malwane ji ne ntimu mani midi muyebe ne bumuji ne jina ja uji ne moyo ne uji mufwe
Name that thou livest and art dead.
kuva maluma moyo mupya munda mwa ekelezia bwalu kampanda bwimpi bwakamweneka pingu bakaisungula katika bivyo kumbana nu bwa kufinga janu moyo muulanga nito
enough to make it life, there was death in it.
kuvolu fumundamu
Be watchful.
wikale mutabale ujadike bintu bijibishala byakamba kufa bwalubwa chakasangana midimu yebe mikale myaka ni chishiki kumesu kwa nzambi wani
Was life come
ebu mbujadike bunene moyo wakupingana
to be restored?
kudi chijin chakele chilongolola
Now have
kali byaka kwa kajan lufu na shen wakaji nshintulukilu mutwala ani mutwali moyo mu maleso na Yesu Kristo
not found.
maisha Yesu Kristo bwalubwa nchakukusangana
So obviously the Reformation,
bwalubwa
though it brings
chakusangana bienzedi byebe bimpe kumpala kwa nzambi webe
did not have perfect works.
kabivwa bikumbane nashi
Something was left undone. It's very interesting that at
bijini mushinga bwane mu konsili wa 13
was a main
kwa kali maisha manene atu atala mu maisha akumpala
the main
bakali batambe kuimana pa sola scriptura mbwena kwamba ne mifundu nkaya yatijila mukanda wa nzambi nkayawo bena lomu bakamba ne kashiji to mukanda nzambi ne maisha etu akabukulu
and tradition
maisha abantu wongenza bwatumvo jija nzambi
must be evaluated. So tradition man
muntu uju ulujika maisha mukanda wa nzambi
controls the issue.
kimesha bena lomu avwaleja mushinga wakubala mukanda wa nzambi
Was the one
ewe umuntu uju usungula mushindu kayi wakusungula bimpe ne bibi nekusungula pa bibi tana mukanda wa nzambi
not the word.
bashintuluya ba reformateur bakwamba na numukanda wa nzambi nkayawu
Saved by grace and grace.
ujumikala nentaku wa maisha ya Yesu Kristo ujusungila
And the word is
nempabo alwebu
why we live. That was the issue.
ngani wakachimuna ku konsile wa 13 lukonko lwimi
Good question.
lomo wakachimuna
Rome 1.
bakapanga kuji ba reformateur bakapanga
Sad. I'll show you.
njine bwalu bwajibungama
Reformation lost.
muma lesu na jalua ninu lezi ni bakapanga
A split came, but the Reformation lost. They had the great
bakapanga jesedi kabakapeta jese
complete the works
kabakachimuna nashi kwa chingani
because Rome
bolwa lomu akaleje ne
that their
bwana
traditions,
maisha etu alimatambe jija nzambi
the Reformation wasn't doing
ngenzelu waba reformateur kakadi mwimpe nashi kabakadi benza mwakadi bubayisha nashi
the word alone. And then the church asked, do you
baba nunula mamikande ya nzambi yani kabwa chikano nunulonda maamalu nunulondamwe nushiya makwabo
alone? Why did you set it aside?
bwachingani
Got up and made a speech?
nulekele mikenzi ya nzambi bwa malu meyetu nushipa mikenzi ya nzambi nono nkayenu kanone mushinga to nudichanani
Progressing your own
nudibantomboji
mean nothing. You are just a rebellion.
ne bashintulu jaba bakapanga bwa bwalwabo
Issue
kabakadi bakani kumpala kwa nzambi
for God.
muyuki wajibungama nunkuvuluke muwa kwangata ne muwa kumvwa ulamate buji napo ukudi mune muchima webe nunkubikala kuyu tabala nendo bumwivi ne kwena omaneji bajinjindwa koji
Upon thee.
muyuki mubika bichi wajibungama
If you reject light, sooner or later you won't be able to
bino akulisha butoke
time your
lelo nachamakela kanu akumanya kutapulula chikondo nashi kilisu napingane kanu nokumanya to kajuji ne mena manya musadi bakadi kabe banyang bilulu byabo
the Reformation
nshintulukilu kavwanu mubito uvo chama cha bushwa bakutwala bulela mudi mwewo
it didn't go.
kadika kakafika kundekelu nashi
Work was not complete.
mudi mukakuka wakashika nashi kumpala kwa nzambi
And white.
ntwanu nje beje misango yonso bavo bangani
Could it be Johann Hus-
bivuma kwikala iso Martin Luther Jean Calvin ngani
Martin Luther? Could it be all the
ba reformateur
They are words
bonsoir ba
for what they understood to be true.
kaba katwampanda byakaji balondo bamanyi bubulela nashi
White Raymond, and I will not blot his name out of the book of life. But
udi pita bukole nalwa chishibwe nunku ne bilulu bitoke ne memenche na njimishe jina janje mumukanda wa moyo na shakakese ne nenji kuleji na janje kumpala kwa tatu wani ne kumpala kwa banjelo banji chitupa cha mushinga nemfunde dina jandi mumukanda wa moyo.
Wow. What's that tell you about God?
Bantu bumuni bali basukwikala basungijibwe.
Be saved.
Odi kusungila bantu bonsu.
Did you know that every person
Jambeli muntu kolejibwe jina jende nudi bamanji jifunji mukanda wa moyo yani.
and his
Nasha jisungule jende jimana kwanga chama panga jika kumpala ni mwaba wasomba.
sad story. Anyway,
Mwaba mubi muyuki mubi.
that's all that's left.
Ewu nsadi.
Muslim
Mwana wabaka jwabana muzulmani wakututwala mwabeu
wonderful
muyuki mwimbi. Wakuitabuja kiliso
accepted Christianity.
wakanyema ati ki mushinga wakufuta fajo kujimula muchima kabiji kelezi waba byzantin muchikondo achi katataka
A farmer
nchilamin nchikumbe cha nyama
synagogue that has been opened up over here.
nzobuwa bifufu kwaka wawamwaba mulongolola kwaka kungakaisha ni kwaka nkusadi
Synagogue in Sardis.
echinchimenga cha
Into history.
Prague mu histoire
Now this is the city of Prague.
ne lelo
And
kudi
today, pretty industrial, but the ancient city
kumpani ya bongi
very beautiful.
konto
One of the
eko
most beautiful,
chimenga chimpe chipite bimenga bya bunka bibitu nabi katataka ku elop
very impressive. This
bidi
is
bimpe
where
bikol
Johann Hus-
ewu Jean is
here's a statue
wakaishap am bateke bwa chivulukile chende ni chifaniki chende
buildings
ku chi kunzi bwe wakale
which they say
kudi musambu akimba woni chimwa kubale to mufunda mwakulu wa bachek
language over here. But in
mishindi yonso musambu ewu uvwa mubi bwa bena babulon na fumu wapo Jean is
Johann Hus-
wakaisha mubenga malu abena babulon wakaisha ni mukalenge
that this
ujuso kwanta mwabo wa Kristo
place of Jesus Christ
ni iseu
Hus
wakamba ne
declared a heretic and
mbwalu bubi tone katataka
the stake.
kajunyi ne mena manya musadi abakaje kaba ibanyange bilulu byabo ne bende nani mu bilulu bitoke ne benani bilulu bitoke bwalubwa bakadi bakanangane bwakwenza nunku
Hang the body parts of the Hussites
apa mpachilamba chakali cha musulu wa Prague padi basabuka
chose the teaching.
baji bayakwaka bwakwanta maisha is avombenge lom
Then they cut
babetabusha mukanda nzambi
and they hung them here
tala kwaka
all to see,
bafwa babakosa mututupa maboko kwaka bibelu kwaka
dangling to remind you
bibola
that it was not worth your while
bwana kaba ikule ni maisha amuchikondo cha mwainaji nashi
as you
panu sabuka
today.
nunu sangana ban santu baba mpaka ntaila imukashi wawa odi muteke chanza pa lupingu
The lady putting her hand
lupingu elu
on
lwa mutaku lujilu kenka
this bronze image over here
bolu wajuele menshi ne mujiteke ja chanza echi ne bapete jube nisho ja pabwaji
will receive a special blessing.
kudimu santu abena kabe ongonga wakafa mwabeu
Here by being
pachilambechi
dangled over the
we umuteke minu kwa kaudi mubeneshiwa
you put your hand
ke mujibamba udupeteli benesha
so now you can receive
jufume kudimuntu
through the activities of man.
kichili bena kuitabuja aba betabuja
Were fighting against
bais
man
bais bakabenga bobo
over Christ.
kuzangika muntu pamwe banzambi to mundi limbi wakukuila jiba zodiac
The zodiac
kwaka kudi china cha ba jesus kwaka ne bakufunda ihs isis oris neset nchikosu chabo
Egyptian Trinity
nsangilwa banzambi basoto abene Egypto
find here's a
bakalongolola ntempelo
some healthy
nuni mwakusumba manga kuneko bwa disama kwaka Martin Luther
stairway
mwabeu
la Santa Scala
wakabikila bune Santa Scala
on his knees and said
Martin Luther wakambane
shall live.
muntu mwakane uchino moyo anu bajitabuja
Stairway it is claimed
mwabadi belemeni Yesu Kristo wakenda
when he was sentenced
paka mukwatabu kuji Pilato nekuchishima banjelo bakanta mwabeu kulobu nawo lubiluto mushuku Yerusalemu kulobu nawo to nkulomu
got to be there and then
baki bakantempelo munene ne pa wenda kubini mwabeu udi ne dibenesha ja pabwaji
you can receive a special blessing
umatukuji kumi mibiebe mijimine
today.
numamona katata kama tukuji kumi
Whatever you
udi makwenza bionsu bidi musu ne kwena chilumbu to udi mu mibi kamijimin
people and
echin bulon li bunene budi kabu mukanda zambi
trying to find
bwa kufuje bolus bason ban numana kwa ka ne bakoke ba ke bakufuje bolus mbya lusi bikol
all you have to do is
bien pokuta la ko di Yesu
say, here I am,
kwamba ne meme njumwenze fi
forgive me.
Yesu ju kutanila fashi wamba ne
And says,
meme
I do not
chena mukupe shena sha ya ku kwensha kabidi bwalbu binashi chena nkubanda
wonderful way of finding
kimushindu mwimpe wa kufika kulupanda hier stand vor Kaiser Martin Luther mu chinunu kama itana makumi abili chimwe
Emperor
bakimana
Martin Luther.
bakimana
He said, here I stand.
ne
You know,
mukalenge
either
ne bukalenge bwa Martin Luther bwa kenza mujimu ne bilon le shile mujimu wende kawakaji kanasha ne kavuma kwenza bonga bwalu bayidi bende
followers should have
kabaka kumbana to
did not. And there he stood.
bakimanye napo kimuvo muyoki
Well, that's history
kachi akapita nchengani
completed. And so what happened?
bu Martin Luther
Luther could
muvaka makushikisha mujimu
another
nchisumbukai chabene kiliso cha kadi mwakulo kwenza bwalu mteleja Martin wakushia bunga bwalu
started a new denomination.
ani wakufuka ekelezia mukwabo
The new leader who was
bakulonda mulombo di mukwabo uji babikila ne Calvin
themselves Calvinists.
mwikale baidi wende babikile ba Calviniste
Someone else discovered
bakwa ne Martin ne Calvin
you did not,
lwai bwalu wanokusha chintu chikwabo abumba Baptiste bakubambila
you know. And then you have the Baptists.
bakalwa ne bakusakijila bwalu bukwabo
And they had it. And the
ne baidi bakuita buja bakwama ne mbimpe
Martin didn't see that.
Martin kakenza bwalu ebunashi
And the
ne bena ja Calvin bakwa bake bakwamba ne
follow that route.
katwe na bamone
Wycliffe saying, whoa, you know,
katwe na makulonda njile unashi
that we've discovered in the Bible.
ne Wycliffe wakwama ne lwai tuji ne bwalu bunene tulumbu chinene
No, you better do it on your own.
to chopeta mukanda nzambi
Form your own denomination.
ne
What happened?
bena mishoni
You have all these Christian denominations
wakwama ne tuma kwenza nuku to
with their doctrines, which are,
kwele makwenza nkayebe nashi
but each claiming to have
chakulonda chingani
from the other that keeps them separate. Don't we
nune ekelezie yonsu ya bena kilisu lelo animo mukimomo
have the same truth?
ekelezie yonsu ni maisha au mashi pa mukanda nzambi kadi ekelezie yonsu ilimita pulukumu ni mukwabo
Find out what the truth is and do it.
kato ni mukanda nzambi mwani
Well, then comes Philadelphia, 1798.
kato mukanda nzambi mwani bwachinga ni ekelezie abongi
Means brotherly love.
kato mopeta bulela munga mwaba na nshani pashishe tuji ne ekelezie wa Philadelphia wakulwa muchi mucha chinunu kamana te maku chemana mwana mkulu tonu ku chinju mucha chinunu kamana mkulu maku yana chinai Philadelphia mvuje ne jinanga jabana betu mukilisu atelisu mwibidi wakuibaka
That's when Weld
wakuibaka
Carey went to India, 17,
bolbo vumunanga mwana abu umizis
1887, Moffat to
ne
Africa,
chibi
1817.
chitanda kumukuna chivo chikondo cha mushinga bolbo
American Bible
reform wakulisa kejila kwa kumwene kangendu ya bena kilisto kari wakuya mu ende mu chimu cha chinnu kamana tema mu chitema isatu Morrison wakuya mu chinu mu chinnu kamana mukulu mwana mutekete mofe wakuya mafiki wakubuchika ku chinu chidi mu cha chinnu kamana mukulu jikumi mwana mutekete ne bibamba libyanzwa nzambi bya mikanda nzambi ya bena Britannique bya kutoje mu chimu cha chinnu kamana mukulu chinayi ne societe munene wa mikanda nzambi wa bena America wakutoje mu chimu cha chinnu kamana mukulu jikumi samombo ujija nzambi jakulo mabe yonso mbulo bafunjila mwanjilo wa ekelezi wa ku Philadelphia ne uji wachishila uji wabulelela uji neluvungula lwa Davidi udi unzula ne kakwena uji winjila ne kakwena uji unzula
most holy.
me ya mushinga
So Jesus
chintu kwa bonchikangu kimwabewo
shifted
chikwa bonchikangu
to the most holy, but that's another.
zambi uji ukangula bwalwebu ne kujilwendu kajapa kudi bwalubu kwabo buji bukangula ne bunga bukanga
No man
bwalubu kujichibi chiji chochi chikanga kababa chikangula nashi
strength, small
nenu bali muchiba chikwabo nenu mwani bwane
my word.
nitunenge mu bikole mwaba achishile bali bavikele kushuka mwaba wa
A small group
muji mwa Yesu Kristo ujuka mwaba achilo yimutam mwaba mutamchishile ebo mbwalu bukwabo bwa muji janza bitwa yila pashishe nchimumani miji muyebe tangila
make them of
nakutete tangila nakuteka chibi chunzulila kumpala kwebe chijimu kwabo kaimwa kuchinjila ne wewu uji ne bukole bukesi ni wakala maji ijani ni kwa kupija jina jani
and to know that
kasumbuka kesika abantu kakanta mapangadi kakulonda Yesu Kristo mubushuwa ni chakafika nchengani mwana njinkupa bamusuna wa satana kudi bitendelelu bya satana bamunkachi mwa bajambane tujibena Yuda ne kabena nunku kudi
being done differently.
bantu bali bamanyi maluma kwabo alinchakwala malongolo nenkupe
So they won't be here.
nenkukube muchikondo cha Mateyi bwalubwa wakalamadi jani jodu jijamba
To try them that dwell upon the earth.
kulwa
Behold, I
kudi
come
ba
quickly. What
fabuloba bonso
previous church?
bwa kuteta badi bikala fabuloba ndo alolubilu
Now,
wakambile ekelezi wakumujuline mun njindwa katataka
so now. So obviously we've moved in history through time.
jiba ja kulo jifi ne tukatuya kundekelo kwa muyuki
His coming is not meant
ujulwa katataka ni ujulo lukasi
soon to a time
bwa kuimani kama alonso kwafikisha kundekelo ekelezi yego
before the light
kakufika kundekelo kwa chikondo nashi bwalubwa na kwa chishibwe muchikondo kampani
go into
cha
the final
lutatu
event.
ukwati chuji nachi wa muntu kanyengi chifulu chebe cha butumbi wakabuli wa chapita mwisa tumesa wa chitema tungu jikuni umwe
No man takes
chakapita changani muyuki wa Philadelphia
Revelation 3:9-11.
nenu mone
In history,
bya bishale bya bena bizante
go
kwako
to Philadelphia,
emu chikondo cha mwayenaji
find few ruins of some Byzantine churches there.
ewu ujimu kachimu kokono numa na kwaka
This old lady
ujine menjimi po babalubwa
connotation for me.
wa kumpeshe dilesona
Lesson
mukunga kidile kunto mishiku
in a kiss to a lady that was very sad, who was being marginalized
uvomulekelela kulibanga bantu
and gave me.
ni uvomulekelela kulibanga bantu akantangile ne mesu ajipetu na alonji
I remember that look because
kadi mesu akansha bonga bwalo vubi kenla ntumente makujibanga bantu na nshabo bubika limishindu kai
value.
na nshamalu ajibika libenzi
But
muyuki wa chikondo chikwabo kujudu bitabukole ne muvwije jikunji mu ntempelo wa nzambi wanyu bimpe be kwikala pamwe ne basungijibwe ne kena ulupuka mukabiji moyo wachendelele
on him the name of my God, God's character will be in him.
ne nefundi jina ja nzambi wani pambili panji ne jina ja chimenga cha nzambi wani Yerusalemu mupya mene chiji chifweka panshi chifuma mujulu kuji nzambi wani
Bad sewage down here on earth. No.
chimenga kachima ya manyanu amisanda
In my new
chichifweka chifuma kuji tatu wani ne jina ja nyimeme jipyaji pembwa kabula chapter misatu verse 1
So Philadelphia
kujimila ya bungwa ekelezia wa Philadelphia wo muchikondo cha bufukuluji
again and combine
chili chikondo chipya cha maisha
following
avo mangata muchikondo cha mukabuji makawa masangisha mkulonda mukanda nzambi vo mutangale mbulobo bujima le satana vo musukubweja kaja bulongolo jebo bwa
represent
kusungila bwa nzambi bwa bisamba byonso
comes the last church.
chakalonda nchingani
And if we take the prophecy of
ekelezi wakula odikiya patu twanda chiprofeta Daniel cha jindani lilolo binunu bine jindani lilolo binunu bibijini kamesatu
18,
bilibijika muchimu cha chinunu kamana mukulu makumya na chinayi
not get into that.
chitwayila mujisha dikwabo
Laodicea means
tumwa kwe kucha mushinga la odikiya odimvujane
that means
chisamba cha chilumbuluji
one. This
Chi-
is a anti
kachena mudilimbi wa yonu kipo
Christ is in the mouth
walwa Kristo ojimwaba mutambe chishila katataka ne katataka
breads and altars of
bwatujuke
the Ark of the Covenant.
mwaba wa bitegelo bya minda mwana mutegeti mampa chipungiji ne choshelu chamana nanshi bwakuya mwaba odi mushetu wachishila
After his
bwakuya mwaba odi ulonda muyonu kipu bwa chilumbuluji mbya mushinga ewu mwaba mwantokia
they had eye salve that they made, very famous one.
bakapesha jina ja laodikiya mukajende
To give spirit
jina jende jakaladisi
to life. Was it
jina
this city
ja bwanga
destroyed in AD 60 by an earthquake?
kuva jina jivo jende njimani kubikole kolir
They were wealthy.
chivo chikena kumona
They had a health resort.
chimenga chiba kabimpe
The ruins of
chakanya mu makumya sambombo kujiza kale ja buloba kaji cha kiba kibwa kakuyima kutambula matema kutabo nkayabo
And they had this fascinating system. Here's an old pipe system. Notice all this insulation around these pipes. Tremendous stuff. They put all these pipes into these heavy
bakadi ne bionso mai akwachisha mudilu ne kwaka pambelu
there are
kaba banshi kwibaka na shokodi mishiba yakale tayala kwaka
and the water went in hot.
bakuteka bionso mu matyo bakutwala mai mu chimenga
No longer hot.
kabi kule na nsha ne kafi
If
pao
you
junwa
lukewarm, you got
mai akutuma bwa uluk bafo baluka
hot, you could drink it.
afo bumu di chai
You could drink it.
padialo mashika adialo dibwe
Down. So like today,
kano na
you have these salt cubes.
mwakwa pwekesha nashi
You could get it down.
babela
When
lwepu
you arrived there, it was lukewarm.
nuwa pwekesha
Store.
avwa fika kwaka avwa alochuyuya muyuki muimpe wa malu akale
I would that thou wert cold or hot. So then, because thou art lukewarm and neither cold nor hot, I will
jumali midimu yebene kwena na nshini mashika na nsha kukapya nakadi kuso ikale na nsha kumashika ni kukapya nunkubwalubwa ujichuyuya kuyina nsha kumashika na nsha kukapya lenkutule mukana mwani bakabule sha tumisa tujikumne muitano kwa kusudi muisa mom fundane kwena luya na nsha mashika nenku kutwile
I will
ujuba kanyine ne
you out.
nenshuli chitegeli chepchamina lempe chibantu bakwapo
You see,
Then
this is the
look.
last church on earth.
ekelizia wandikelwa mbuloba
Taking away of the candlestick, there's only a spitting out.
kabena bangate chitege chaminda chende bali bamba nde bamuluka ekelezi yewe na lukibu ekelezi yewe na nyunge
Lukewarm
bikala kabena bimane mbushu wanashi
out of it. This church will be shaken. And those that do
bikala bukabena bajilongolole
not shaken up. So is this a perfect?
ewu ekelezia
No, it's pathetic.
manya inonku
That it is lukewarm and that there is
kabena babakanyi na nsha
only a rebuke. No commendation whatsoever.
chijiba bambila
It
nchingani
has no commendation.
nashi chintu
Not too far away, there's Hierapolis, where they are the real.
ekelezi omu uji bele twasekijila
Today, many health resorts with all these beautiful
ujine wa polisi
carbonate deposits.
kwa kali bina bya mai katataka kujimia ba yabo ya mai bya carbonate ne calcium
They still make
kapya kwa kane eku mwaba muimpe to ni kumatu kwa bimfani bimpe miaba ya mafesto
I think needs it.
nyama kwa kauja bolbo uji wamba ne njimu banji na kupeta byuma nche na nkengela chintu ne kwena mumani ne uji mwena jikenga ne mukengeji wa luse ne mupele ne mufofo ne butaka
In trouble. Here's a little boy gathering gebera.
tangila
A little
mwana uji tulatu bisosa tukesi kwaka
the health thing
tulitonda pa masama ambiji
in a way. It's like an anesthetic. So even today, this area is known for its.
kujitone katataka
You see, there is a health
lumu limpe lwane
associated with
kula odikia kwa kajibwanga
physical body, but unfortunately,
kajija akabi
they are.
bwane bafo babanji
Now,
zambi vo bwalo ne bubanji bwa mubije bwani bwachana ne bwani to
no. So in
kali bafo babanji muchini eyowa
yes, they have
bafo ni jimanya ja mukanda wa zambi bafo ni jimanya
knowledge. You see,
niliba mone
the Reformation had.
ba reformate ka bakashikisha mujimu nashi
The Reformation became fragmented because of an.
bafo batapuluka bwalo bwa mujimu abukavu mujika kali Philadelphia pakulwa ye ni jija nzambi ja kunyunda ja kuya kumpala
was again
bonso
raveled
mubukabushi makaji
its fullness.
lawo dikia
Laodicea,
bakupeta jimanya
the knowledge.
bafo apa
They had the knowledge.
bafo ni jimanya chakwenza bonchingani bakule ngululu
Get on it.
chakwenza bonchinyi
And what do?
bakupeta bubanji
And increased in good
kaba vojishinga ni makuta
of nothing.
bana yeni jija nzambi nekelezia wende ekelezia humwikale butoke bwa buloba
People,
bantu aba bakuna yenenti ne
and they do not
bakupo moyo bwane bajiba kenyi
miserable
baji butaka baji bitupu munyuma baji
and blind
bapele ne bafofo
have this.
bapange jimanya baji butaka
They are devoid
bapange Kristo
of Christ. You see, faith without,
jitabuja kali ne benze jinjifu
whereas works doesn't earn you any brownie points.
Bwali bwatu ndi basungijibwe
And grace alone.
kujitabuja
Not share that.
kungasa ngasa nkayandi
Then you have a problem. And if you are rich,
kwa kule bwali bunene mpinjeo nuji babanji nunwele mene nuji mubulelela ani
why share it with someone else? And make
bwali
them
bwa
like you?
jabanyanganya ja bwali ebo
And there are people that might
bimokale
believe
bimpe
that they have the truth and that the truth
kuli bantu bayibelang meji ne baji mubulelela
Jews believed that
ne bulele bu ne babasongile
and they had the truth.
mbimpe
But they
bene yuda bakela meji amushindo mo mukadi bakabenga masiya
so to have
kaba vone bulelelani bakeza no
save you. To have
bakapanga Yesu Kristo kwikali Yesu Kristo kichichisongile
Christ,
bino kali Yesu Kristo nenu patuke
and you will not condemn those
katwena
the truth,
tubanda bajikaba ni bulela nashi
know not the truth, and try and win them over to the truth. Because Jesus
wudi chakuna bajikaba ni bulela bolbwa
while
bolwa ye Kristo wakulila tone benze fimo mwan kimo
going to be. And let me
kinjila kulonda lekela anu ambili bolbu mwe
and I'm going to say this very harshly.
jinchamba muji jikol
He's saved.
kakwena muntu uju sungiji bobwa maisha ende kampanda to
Have you got that?
nubumvani
If you have the
na shoni jimane ja mushinu kai kinji jikusungila to
going to save you? No. If you
sombai kwaka
and you have
na shumika libabanji
and increased in goods,
na shobaji bwenu
that's not
kimbu jibukusungila nashi
applying it to the hearts.
enzela muchima webe
Making Jesus
bweja Yesu muchima webe Yesu buntu ajilu nendekelu anezed wa moi webe kibi bisungila mbyo bya chimanya
with works.
ni kwenza kumanya ni kwenza
But to sit on
kweyemena
won't save you.
kakwena kunusungila
So rich and increased in goods,
bino apeta mabanja abungi na chinono balwe babanji mushindukai
and that is
nobale nuni mamanya abungi
perfect understanding.
aebu na shabu kwabo
Therefore I am
njimwakane
and you are lost and I am saved.
nupo moyini njimusungijibu
It's so
ekelezi yevumuli ni jimanye
time to debate
bwabobo kwamba bwalu
around like a dog
bavo benda banyunguluka pa mwaba umwe bumujimbwa unyunguluka mwaba umwe pabilushe byenda
this church is wretched.
kibwalu bunyi nwambilene nupesha mubelune kanu nshinanko
For the perfect end time church, you will not find it.
jinkuleje lungenyi lwa kusumba ngolo kunji ujimulengele mukapya bwawewulo mubanji nibivwa lwitoka
I counsel thee to buy of me gold tried in the fire that thou mayest,
mushindukayi uli mwakulo mubanji
and white
ni
raiment.
mushindukayi uli mwakuvala bilulu bitoke byabwakane
How do you get the robes of righteousness? And how do you
mushindukayi kusokoka bundu bwa butaka bwebe munyi muwapeta bwanga bwa kulaba kumesu bwa mesu ebatabale meme mumvu bwa jinanga kujibonso nemba kanyine
many as I love, I
nemba
will
semine
chase and be zealous, therefore, and repent. So if you want to do what is right, God will put you in the fire of affliction. So I have
kajinjini bwalu bwajibungama
anybody who finds
muntu ujumanya bulele lebu wakubwela mukapi
it's hot,
nenu jikube nenenu je
take care of yourself. And
magebra
here there's a knocking on the door.
ne ujukokola kuchibi apa
Beautiful field.
chikondo cha mushipu
I took this
bwakutula
knees, taking it across. Behold, I stand at the
ngakina mapo bwakupita tangila
divorce and
njumunyimanyike kuchibi njinkokola bimvo muntu jijayi ne ujunguzulile chibi nembole kujinenje nende ne yeyi naje nani
overcoming.
ujupita bukole ne mupi bwakushikama nani munkwasa wa butumbi bumuna akashikama
And I'm set down with
bumuna akatamba bukole ne muna akashikama ne tatu wani munkwasa wanje wa butumbi bwakabulibwa isatuma kumebima binomu
I have to take
emu yuko andekelo akeleze nkundekelo nyusi kuno ambile ne bantu abumpa bulo bapa nibikanje manja bulela
knowledge of the truth. But they're not very well known
katika bena bamanya mumbu kubutangala chanashi
for sitting on it.
bali bamanya anu mushindu wakunyuluka mwabambo wakubwa akula chana na kuwa kangana pa malu makesi
Particular points. And as to their perfection or non-perfection,
bapang bwakani
that's not
kali echikimbwalu
Jesus.
Yesu Kristo ujinjil kibya mushinga chabulela
It is applied to the heart.
ikali mbwele michima yetu njinu sengelela njinu lomba
That
bwane bonso bwetu
stand
tukali jimanya jabulelela
the truth, but that we
katulu jijimbi mibinashi
become clean.
twangati Yesu Kristo mu michima yetu mu chikondo cha kumpala mleso kumpala
The next next lectures,
ne tumoni mushindu ka dibulela bwikale busumbula kuli bapabulo bebo ne tuikale muchibweja kaji
planet,
ujulombola chini ngani
and who controls
ne uju chenza mini mushindu kai nzambi anu bene shinanu lame
God bless you,
ne nulumuji leso na jiji kumpala
and come to the next lecture.
ne tuleje
Fold the whole
vitamine ne pankati pa bimpi ne bibi twasakijila bwana wakulo.